Assalamualaikum class 7. This is Ms. Samira Zadi, your computer studies teacher from Falcon House Grammar School campus 9, and today in today's video we will start the chapter 11 communication through email, that is on page number 119. Now open your textbook and open the page number 119. First I will explain you about the email. This email. Now I'm going to tell you about how to create an email account and about an email. Email is an electronic mail. When we type a message on the computer and send it to another computer over the internet, we send email. Email is a system of sending digital messages like documents, pictures, audio and video files over the network such as internet. Now I'm going to tell you about how to we create an email account. To open an email account, we can choose from several websites. Each of these services is free and has specialized features that are very useful. Hotmail is very common websites that we can use for email. Now to create an email account, we can open a Hotmail account. Type the website address www.hotmail.com in the address bar of the web browser and then press enter. Okay, then we can click on the sign up or create an account button on the web page. This open new web page where you can register for an email account. But first you have to provide some information like Hotmail address. This will be your email address. It look like something Namira Zedi at hotmail.com. All email address on the Hotmail and with @of hotmail.com. You can enter user ID of your choice as long as nobody have the same user ID. Okay, next is password. A password is like a secret code. Whenever we want to use our email account, we have to enter a password. You should select a password which is easy for you to remember but difficult for other to find out. Most people use personal details such as their date of birth and their password. Your password should be 8 character with numbers, symbols and alphabets. Okay, our next is we can enter our personal details like our first name and last name. We can also enter the country and the date of birth. After this, a website displays a series of random letters and numbers. You should type the same series in the box below it. This enables the website to detect the fake email account. And then press next. This takes some time. Now you can see that our email account is created and it contains different folders which includes inbox, sent items, draft, favorite folders, okay, junk emails, and to create a new emails we can click on the new message. Okay, now I'm explain you that what is the function of the inbox and how can we send and receive message using an email account. After opening our email account, we can click on inbox. The inbox is like a mailbox. All the email messages that people have sent to us are dropped into the inbox. To write a new email message, you can click on new. This opens a web page where we can type the email. We can also enter other important details. Okay, two. Here we can type the email address of the person we want to send the email. The person becomes the recipient of the email. No space or capital letters should be used. Add a subject. We can enter a subject or the basic purpose of the email in the add subject line. This helps the recipient know what the email is about even before reading it. In the mail, here we can write our message and click on the send button. It shows we cannot verify the account before, so it can show me the verification like this. We just Before we can send the email, we need to verify our account. This won't happen every time. We just rotate the picture and then click next. Okay, our account is being verified and the email is being sent. We can check this sent email in the sent item. Click on the sent item folder. If we want to reply any person, click on the reply button. In the inbox, we can see the message that the person sent to us. I'm sure you can understand the today's topic, and I'm almost completed the chapter 11 that I started today. It's very simple and quite easy chapter that I have created a video for that and give you a few questions that is in your textbook on page number 131. You have the first three questions you have to do in your as a classwork right now, and three questions giving you as a homework. Question number one is D1, that is on page number 131. That is, what is meant by email and what are the advantages of email. Okay, question number two, that is also D2 on page number 131, that what is the function of email address. Okay, and question number three is the web, that is, create a web to show the components of email messages. The components of email messages includes the to, CC, BC, subject, attachment, message. All of these are the basic components of email message. Okay, the homework that you have to do is D3 exercise on page 131. Which is describe the procedure for attaching a file of an email message. Okay, and D4 exercise is why should we mention the subject in an email message. Okay, the D6 exercise, what is the difference between CC and BC. Okay, I hope you can understand your assignment. If you still have any question, then ask me on the Zoom session that will be started after few minutes. Okay, I will conduct the Zoom meeting also. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.